Hello students, today we'll start our very first poem named Ode to Autumn by John Keats. We know that John Keats is a very famous English romantic poet. He belongs to the age of romantic era in the English literature, and he's very famous for writing the odes in English literature. So before starting Ode to Autumn, let's discuss what is an ode. Ode is a kind of poetry which is written in praise of somebody. ਕਿਸੇ ਦੀ ਤਾਰੀਫ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਡਿਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਪੋਇਟਰੀ ਲਿਖੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਟਰਮ ਇੱਕ ਨਾਮ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ ਐਂਡ ਦੈਟ ਨੇਮ ਇਜ਼ ode. Ode to Autumn means the John Keats is describing about the season autumn season in this poem. And other than Ode to Autumn, he has written various odes such as Ode to Nightingale, Ode to Melancholy, and Ode on Melancholy, or Ode to Psyche, etc. And John Keats was only 25 years old when he died, and he died because of tuberculosis. So let's start our poem now, Ode to Autumn. We know that seasons are divided into four, that is summer, autumn, winter, spring. There are four seasons, and they are summer, autumn, winter, and spring. And at this time, it is the autumn season. It is the autumn season, we can say, because summer has just passed and winter is yet to come, and in between winter and summer there is a autumn season. But the description that the John Keats is doing here about the autumn season, it is not likely to the autumn season in India. It is likely to the autumn season in England. So let's start. Ode to Autumn. The poet writes, season of mists and mellow fruitfulness. So in the first line, the poet is saying autumn is a season of mists. Mists, usually mist means mist means fog. ਜਦੋਂ ਧੁੰਦਲਾ ਥੋੜੀ ਧੁੰਦ ਪੈਣੀ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, we call it mist, or we call it fog. And after the summer, when fog starts appearing in the sky in the morning, so that's why it's a very calm atmosphere at that time. So that's why the poet John Keats is writing that it is a season of mists. And mellow fruitfulness. Mellow usually means calm. Fruitfulness means there is a rich variety of fruits that exist in this season. There are rich variety of fruits that exist in this season. Close bosom friend of maturing sun. And in the second line, John Keats is saying that this autumn season is a very close, we can say the best friend. Close bosom friend means the best friend of the maturing sun. Conspiring with him how to load and bless with fruit the vines that round the thatch eaves run. What he is doing, as autumn season is the close friend of sun, that's why he's conspiring here means planning. The autumn season is planning with the sun how to load and bless, कि किस तरह असी लोड करना है, किस तरह असी blessing देनी है. Sun and the autumn season both are planning. What are they planning? They are planning to load and bless with fruit the vines. Vines means the plant of the grapes. This is the vines. as you can see, there are grapes, and this is the plant, or we can say tree of the vines. The plant of grapes is called the vines here. And the poet is saying that sun and the autumn season, they are planning how we can load the wine tree with lot of grapes, with lot of fruit. That round the thatch eaves runs. Thatch eaves means a thatch is the huts made with the thatch. Thatch eaves means the huts that are made with the with the thatch. Thatch ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਬੱਚੇ, ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਪਰਾਲੀ ਘਾਹ ਫੂਸ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹਟਸ ਤਿਆਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ. Thatch eaves means the edge of that cottage. Thatch eaves means the edge of the cottage. So edge of the thatched roof cottage. ਉਹਦੇ edge ਤੇ, ਉਹਦੇ corner ਤੇ there is a plant, there is a tree of wine, and autumn season and the sun, they are planning ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ thatched roof ਵਾਲਾ ਘਰ ਹੈ, cottage ਹੈ, ਉਹਦੇ edge ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ plant ਹੈ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ blessing ਦੇਣੀ ਹੈ, ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ load ਕਰ ਦੇਣਾ ਹੈ, ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ plant ਹੈ, ਉਹ tree ਹੈ, ਅਸੀਂ ਭਰ ਦੇਣਾ ਹੈ with the grapes. To vend with apples the moosed cottage trees. Moosed means, this is moosed. ਇਹਨੂੰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ, ਹਰਿਆਈ ਜੰਮ ਜਾਣਾ. It is the moosed. So in this season there is a lot of moose on the trees, especially in England. trees ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਕੀ ਹੈ, moose ਆ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ. And they are referring to vend with apples the moosed cottage tree. In the cottage there are apple trees. Apple trees हैं उत्थे cottages ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਘਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ apple trees ਹੈ. Apple trees ਤੇ ਕੀ ਹੈ, moosed ਪਹੁੰਚੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ, ਹਰਿਆਈ ਜੰਮੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਟਰੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਬੈਂਡ ਕਰ ਦੇਣਾ, ਮੀਨਸ ਵੀ ਵਿਲ ਲੋਡ ਸੋ ਮੈਨੀ ਐਪਲਸ ਔਨ ਦੋਜ਼ ਟਰੀਜ਼ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਭਾਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਗੇ, ਬੈਂਡ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਗੇ. ਟੂ ਬੈਂਡ ਵਿਦ ਐਪਲਸ ਦ ਮੂਸਡ ਕਾਟੇਜ ਟਰੀਜ਼ and fill all fruit with ripeness to the core. Next plan of the sun and the autumn season is to fill all fruits with ripeness. सारे fruits ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉੱਗੇ ਹੋਏ ਆ, ਜਿਹੜੇ plants ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ fruits ਲੱਗੇ ਹੋਏ ਆ, the next plan is to fill them with ripeness. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੂਰੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਪਕਾ ਦੇਣਾ ਆ. To the core means to the ਬਿਲਕੁਲ center ਤੱਕ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਕਾ ਦੇਣਾ ਆ. To swell the gourd and plump the hazel shells. What is gourd? Gourd is ਜਿੱਦਾਂ gourd family ਹੈ ਬੱਚੇ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਘੀਆ ਆ, ਤੋਰੀਆਂ, these are the gourd family. ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ gourd family ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ. ਘੀਆ ਦੀਆਂ different shapes ਹੈ, ਕੋਈ ਘੀਆ ਗੋਲ ਹੈ, ਕੋਈ ਲੌਂਗ ਹੈ, ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਤੋਰੀਆਂ ਆ, there is a bitter gourd, ਕਰੇਲਾ, ਹੈ ਨਾ. ਇਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਸਬਜ਼ੀਆਂ ਆ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ gourd family ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ. ਸੋ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਕੀ ਪਲਾਨ ਹੈ, to swell the gourd. next plan of the autumn season is to swell the gourd, ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੂਰੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਪਕਾ ਦੇਣਾ ਆ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੂਰੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਵੱਡਾ ਕਰ ਦੇਣਾ, swell ਕਰ ਦੇਣਾ. here means ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਫੁਲਾ ਦੇਣਾ ਆ, ਮਤਲਬ ਪੂਰੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਵੱਡਾ ਕਰਕੇ ਪਕਾ ਦੇਣਾ ਆ. And plump the hazel shells. What are the hazel shells? I'll show you. This is the hazel shells. And another picture of hazel shells. It is the tree. Shell is quite hard. ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਕੀ ਨਿਕਲਦੇ, nuts ਨਿਕਲਦੇ ਆ. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ hazel shells means the shells that contain the hazelnuts. This is the tree of hazelnuts, and this is the shell. ਔਰ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ shell ਨੂੰ ਤੋੜ ਕੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ nuts ਕੱਢਦੇ ਹਾਂ, like ਬਾਦਾਮ ਦੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ, ਹੈ ਨਾ. ਬਾਦਾਮ what we get ਐਲਮੰਡਸ ਜੋ ਹੈ ਜੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਖਾਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਇੱਕ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਸ਼ੈਲ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ so the writer is saying the next plan is to plump the hazel shells plump again to make it big and to fill it with the heavy nuts ਉਹਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ nuts ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਕਾਣਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ plump ਕਰਨਾ means ਹੋਰ ਮੋਟੇ nuts ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੈਦਾ ਕਰਨੇ with sweet kernel means that nut ਜਿਹੜਾ ਫਿਰ nut shell ਨੂੰ plump ਕਰ ਦੇਣਗੇ ਮੋਟਾ ਕਰ ਦੇਣਗੇ ਪਕਾ ਦੇਣਗੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਫਿਰ nut ਹੋਏਗਾ kernel means center ਜਿਹੜਾ center ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ nut ਹੋਏਗਾ it would be a very sweet one to set budding more next plan is to set budding more budding means the growing of the plants okay when छोटे ਜਿਹੜੇ plants ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਗਣਾ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ plants that's the budding as this time in India what people are doing at home ਉਹ ਘਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਆ ਕੋਈ ਮੂਲੀ ਲਗਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਗਾਜਰ ਲਗਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਆ ਕੋਰੀਐਂਡਰ ਲੀਵਸ ਲਗਾ ਰਹੇ ਆ ਧਨੀਆ and these ਉਹ ਉਸ ਕਿਉਂ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਆ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਕੀ ਆ ਬਡਿੰਗ ਹੋਣੀ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਆ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਘਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਗਾਏ ਹੋਏ ਆ ਕੋਰੀਐਂਡਰ ਲੀਵਸ ਐਂਡ ਸਪੈਨਿਸ਼ ਪਾਲਕ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਥੋੜੀ ਬਡਿੰਗ ਹੋਣੀ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਹੈ So, and to set the budding more, next plan of autumn season is to set the budding more, means growing of the more plant and still more and doing more and more budding. Later flowers for the bees. After helping the trees and the budding, next plan of the autumn season is to fill the nature with lot of flowers. And why they want to fill the nature with lot of flowers they want to give flowers to the bees until they think warm days will never cease for summer here means because summer has overbrimmed means overfilled their clammy cells and bees have in the summers we know that there are a lot of bees honey bees they collect the honey from the flowers and in the summer there were a lot of flowers and in the autumn season the plan of the autumn season is to fill the nature with a lot of flowers so that honey bees can collect a lot of honey and fill their clammy cells with the honey and start thinking as they have overfilled their cells with the honey they will start thinking that the summer days will never cease means will never stop because we know that in the winter especially in the England and the other parts there is a lot of snow and the plants and the trees they don't and the plants and the trees they don't see any budding anymore so there are a lot of budding in the autumn season and the summer season especially in England so in this first paragraph or what the autumn season is doing the poet is describing us about the autumn season he's telling that it is a season of mist and the mellow fruitfulness there is a lot of variety of fruits in the autumn season and autumn season is the very close friend of the sun and he is planning to fill the nature with a lot of things they want to fill all the trees all the plants with fruits with vegetables with flowers and and the autumn season is planning to make autumn season as a very productive season as there is lot of growth in this season so in this we have completed the first paragraph